Ka Fkjgp sengkeme mentakasi kalalej bandawa penmi Director ke Directorate of Printing and Stationery hadian bakladon ke Kynnoh pendon kam baklai kapisa ke balakot hadu Klur tam kane kalongkat kum ka RTI belalap do ba ijen star kor kalang usketri ke seng uba regional thaba habakran siklat pathai kubor ulong ba seng kalade ban pha city so menteri rang ba jela bandawa ban wengno ya u nakane katanat bala aiporu sipau singi u banmi Henry nomor baka sorkar kam simla ban le ye kaseng kelawan ban kentur hi ya ka Ophis trekam jongu nakali yang director USR marak ulakam bakade tang kajing Kynnoh kabayalam bakla ula benrap bah kajing tre hakam omla ban kian kajing pelut pensam ulo ongru baka inquiry committee halor kene kadai menta kasi Henry nomor kajing bamla ban kiar lara pan
okay, like I'm not authorized also to give any statement on behalf of the government, but since this is personally attacking on me, I think I have got every right to defend myself. So I'm trying to defend myself in the inquiry committee. Today was the day actually for the hearing. Then for some reason actually it couldn't happen today, so they have postponed it.
But
so this is inquiry is happening, but first hearing could not be done actually.
So they have asked you to.
And I'm telling you, since the attack is personally on me, that I have misappropriated, I have done corruption and all. I'm telling you, nothing as such. Nothing as such. There may be some lapses in the working in the office. See, sometimes you may have to, ignore the rules. Ignore the rules in a sense. Sometimes. Maybe you cannot wait for, so regarding this purchase and all, you cannot wait for the this purchase board or something like that. Then we order, okay, on emergency and all certain things are there. So they are saying that this thing also very irregular. Okay, so I have favored somebody, those things are there.
Okay. So what we really want to do is they have asked you to leave the office immediately. So what is your response to it, sir?
I cannot leave. I can cooperate on other things, but then asking me to leave, I cannot just leave like that. See, I'll have to inform my authority. If my authority says yes, you leave, then it's okay. I will inform.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
The Chief Minister also. We already given the statement the minister also and all media that we give an ultimatum for 10 days. This is the day that here. So we want you to cooperate, which will leave the office immediately until and unless the government takes a decision, until and unless the procedure of the department inquiry has been done, you cannot take charge in this post.
Today was the day for the hearing. When it is postponed by the charge officer.
No, you don't know that. That is
President office.
That is the
proceeding is we.
So you have to leave the office immediately. Because the inquiry, if we want the inquiry to be fair, if you are sitting in the same post when the inquiry is still under proceeding, you should understand that. How can you take charge when the allegation against you is in this department itself?
So you will proceed. How you will proceed?
No, we also sent a letter.
We have already sent a letter to Chief Minister. We have not replied. That depends on the department. The only thing is that from our side, we have taken action, but we have been given 10 days.
So ini nakalang ke Fkjgp hadin bangila ay ka Chief Minister hakabide bat kanika department inquiry hakabadan kajing kajipan kambakla ya ka kapisa ka bakot hadu 2.09 crores ya kaba ngilalap na po ka report ng CEG bat kumjuru na ka RTI ng ijen star berkalang adi mengilap ka ICT nadu ka apo na apply te kumta ni syamba ni ipo ultimatum po exposing ni syamba nakaliang ka government kam syamba le ban transfer usui department ni ban suspend yu syamba le tarangin nakaliang ka sang Fkjgp sa property iwan ban ong yu ba udi ban mi na Ophis sundan ada udang akan ke department hi kalong ke inquiry kanum long ko ng basubah